The very first, let's start with the let's start the game with word we have given is a. So we can say let's start with the word a. We can say, right? Now Bob asks her to repeat this operation again and again. Okay, so means what he need to do the operations. She has to take the current word, right? That is our a, and he has to convert each letter to the next alphabet letter, correct? And then append that to the end of the word, right? Again and again this operation has to do. Means what is the next alphabet? Means next alphabet is a should become b, b should become c, and so on to a. Can we say that? That is called wrap around. This is called wrap around. Okay, so like this we have to convert into next alphabet, correct? So if we will consider, let's suppose if we'll consider this is our initial state, right? If this is our initial state, so in the very first step what we should do, we have to transform a, right? What we need to do? Transform given a. Can we say that? Right? Means each character. So each character we have to transform, right? So let's suppose a will become what? B. Now we have to append this to the original one. So how we are going to append it? Means we want a plus b. Can we say that? What it will become? A, B. So now word is this, not a. The word is now AB. Now again you will transform a and b. So there is two character, right? So let's say transform this time a and b. Can we say that? We can say that, right? So there is two character. First we have a, right? So a become what? B. Then b will become what? C. So these are the characters we have, and we have to transform like this, correct? So if we will transform this, so it will give you what? After doing appending, right? Sorry, before appending, right? What it will become? Together B and C. Can we say that? B and C. This will give you what? B, C for each character transformation. Now you have to append it. So after append, so previously it was what? You have A, B, and you have transformed into B, C. So we can say that what it will become? It will become A, B, B, C. Correct? This is your transform 1. Now let's understand what we will do similarly. So we have this A, B, B, C, right? How many characters are there? 4 characters are there, right? So this time if we will transform what? This nothing called, give me 1 second. We will transform what? We have A, B, B, C, correct? We have to transform this. It means we have to transform A into B, B into C, and B into C, and C into D, correct? So this will become what? B, C, C, D, right? First we will transform like this, and then we will append. So after append, so original was this, and this is that we have transformed. Now add it into append it, right? So it will become what? A, B, B, C, and then what we have? B, C, C, D. The transform. This is our original, and this is our transformer. So you have appended it, right? Now if you'll see k at 1, k at 5, right? This is 1 2 3 4 5. At 5 the k is asking, right? And that is why we are returning b as a output. Okay, I hope you understand this example. Take a screenshot, keep it with yourself, right? And it will help you while understanding the question, right? So what are the question saying? After doing enough step that we have given, right? So what is the kth character in the final word that we have to return, right? So for example, in this k was 5, right? And we want the fifth character in this final word, so which is b, and so we'll return it. Let's suppose k is 10, so we will generate until words dot length is greater than equal to 10, right? Means the length should be length of this final string should be greater than equal to what? K. Can we say that its length should be greater than or equal to k? Then we can return the 10th character, right? Then we can return what? The 10th character. So this is the logic that question is asking to you. Okay, like let's see what question is saying. Okay, let's suppose k is given 1, right? And what we have, the word we have given is, let's say we'll call it initially a we have given, correct? It means if k is 1, we do not need to do perform any transformation, right? Just return from the original one. So k at 1 is 1, and you will just return what? Answer is a, right? This is your answer. Let's suppose k equal to 2. The word we have given, after transform the word, what will it become? You know that it will become a and b. So here what it will return? It will return b, right? If k equal to 4, let's suppose. So how will you transform this? So your word will become what? A, B, B, C, correct? Remember? Then it will return what? It will return C. Okay, so like that you have to go transform, and then you have to return the kth character. Always start with what? A, right? And keep generating and appending the transform string in each one, right? Until your grows the length, right, greater than equal to k. Then you stop once the length is greater than equal to k. The transform, this is, let's suppose transform string is there. So if transform string and the appended string, right, is length is greater than equal to what? K, you will stop there. After that you will return what? Kth character you have to return. Okay, so let's go and see the code, how we will write the code. Let's understand the code. Okay, so what we have given, we know that we have given what? K we have given, and we have to return the character, right? So we will pass the word char at what? K minus 1, and we'll return that position, and you will get the exact index, and you will return the data, right? Let's suppose very first step, k we have given is 5, right? Then we have created the string builder that is called word. So we can, each time we can append here in the string. So the string builder will help you to not create the string constant pool, right? So the string, if you are taking a string, right, let's suppose string, so it will take a string constant pool. You know that concept of a string constant pool in Java. So what it will do, each time when you append the in the string, it will create a new memory, right? So it will base your memory each time, right, in the heap. So that is why we should take string builder, so that we can append multiple times, and it will not create the multiple object in the heap. It will not destroy your memory, but it will utilize your memory. And that is why we should take what? The string builder or a string buffer. So a string builder we will use in this case, right? And we will pass our initial word, right? That word is initialized now, right, with the a. So we can say now our word is nothing but what? A. Can we say that? We can say that, right? So then we'll check first check word dot length should be less than k. If length is less than k, then we should do the game, right? Otherwise we should, it is not required. Let's suppose that I was talking about you, the if k is 1, right, means k is, the length is what, is not less than k, it is equal, greater than equal to. If the length is greater than equal to k, means we will not do anything, just will return the character, right, from there, and will return a itself, correct? That we have seen. And that is why very first we'll check if the word length is less than k, means it is not satisfying this condition, right? It means we will go in the loop for the now first we will say first while loop iteration will go, and then we'll start getting the length. Let's suppose the word dot length will find, and then we'll create the loop with the help of this length, right? So we will get the length, right? So now you have to make the loop, right, to check all the characters, right? So we'll start, let's suppose word have some piece of characters we have, right? So each character we have to get, right, one by one, and we have to transform it, right? Let's suppose we have a, b, and c we have. So first we'll transform a into b, b into c, c into d, and then we have to take this string and we have to append it, right? So that operation we will do how? By taking this loop, right? We'll take a for loop, we'll take c is nothing but our current character. How will get words at caret I, you will get the current character, right? Now each character you have to transform. How you're going to transform? You have to check the next character, right? You know how to do that. This is the way we can do that, okay? And once you will get the next character, you just need to append into the word, right? You will keep appending in the word, and what will happen? You will just return the kth one, right? Let's suppose in the very first what we have, we will get char at c, what we have at 0, right? So the length is itself is 1, so char at c we will get what? A. We will get, then the next character here, if we'll append this, right, so this is c minus a plus 1, and then we are doing what? Mod of 26 plus a we are doing. It means it will give you b, right? It will give you b. Then the next word is becoming here is what? A and b, a and b, but the length is still less than what? K, and k have given what? 5. So the length is still it's still what? Small. So we'll repeat this thing again, right? It means this time, let me clean it. It means this time this word is not a. This is not a now, right? We have transformed into a and b. That is called a b. Can we say that? A b. So the length of this is what? 2, and which is less than 5, correct? It is 2. So the loop will continue. What you will get? You have to get the length here. The word length is what? 2. So length is 2. So this loop will go 2 times, right? 2 times why? For a and b. So you have to transform first a, and then you have to transform b, correct? Can we say that? So this time, let's suppose you will get first c, the current character is a, right? You will get the current character a here at what? 0, and b at 1. So this is your I at 0 you will get a, I at 1 you will get b, correct? So when character a is there, right, the next character will become what? B. Can we say that? And when b is there, the next character will become what? C, correct? So when we have a, means you have appended it, right? And you append it and you made it what? The new word, right? And what is the new word? So new word, it will become, you can say previously it was a and b, just append b here, right? When it is c, your word, you have converted B to C, right? Transform. Now your word will become what? A, B, B and C. Can we say that? Now your word is A, B, B, C. Still its length is what? Length is 4, right? Which is less than 5. It means we will continue this loop. Which loop? This while loop. Let me go and clean it here. It was A. Now after transform, you will become what? A, B, B, what happened? A, B, B and C, correct? Now after transformation, your word is A, B, B, C, which length is less than what? 4. 4 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 5, and we have to continue this loop. Then we'll get the length. What is the length? Length is 4, right? So this loop will go from 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? So this is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Each character you have to transform, correct? Let's suppose for A, if you'll transform this, so for A it will become what? It will become B, correct? So when it will become B, we will get what? We can say that A, B, B, C, B, right? Similarly, if we'll go with this one, so B will become what? C. So this time it will become what? A, B, B, C, B, C. This is at I, this is your I at 0, 1. Now go for I equal to what? 2. This time we will just append one more character here. So we have B, it become what? C. So B will become C. Just append here one C here, correct? Then append C will append it into, you can say, D. So in this append D, right? Like that we will get it a new string, right? This is string. Finally you will get this string. It means the length is greater than this, right? So what you will get here, so once you have transformed this, you have got, sorry, so what you have got, let's suppose we'll call a string. The form string is A, B, B, C, A, B, B, C, and then we can say B, A, B, B, C, B, C, C, D, correct? Original, and then this, okay, right? So after making this, you will get this one. Now you will check its length. Its length is 8, right? And length is greater than or equal to 5. So we'll stop the loop, will not do anything. We will come here, right? Now k minus 1, k minus 1 is, k minus 1 is nothing but 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So check, start checking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll return this as output. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box. Now your task is to write a comment in the video, and you have to write the time complexity and space complexity. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and let me know if you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching this video.